Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to invite family members to the Instacart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and invite your family members so they could actually add onto the Instacart app when you're ordering. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Instacart app. Then once you're logged on here, click on your profile icon on the upper right hand corner. Next, go ahead and scroll down, and underneath where it says add family to shop with shared carts, go ahead and click on invite. And then this is going to allow you to collaborate with friends and family for free. So you can basically create family carts and so that people can actually add to their cart as well. So click on continue. And then on this page here, you can either go ahead and share a link, copy a link, or send a text. And there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and invite family members to the Instacart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.